tutorial, I'll show you how to implement night vision in Unity. Let's get started. First, since this is night vision, we need our scene to be dark, so let's disable all lights and change the ambient lighting. To do this, go to Window, Rendering, Lighting. Under the Environment tab, find Environment Lighting, set Source to Colour, and then set the ambient colour something between dark grey and black. Tweak this colour until you're happy with how your scene looks, and don't forget to re-enable the lights afterwards. Make sure to keep a note of the RGB values of this colour because we'll be coming back to it later. Next, let's create the famous green night vision effect. We'll use Unity's post-processing for this, which we can install through the package manager. Create a layer called PostFX. Select the main camera and add the post-process layer component. In the layer drop-down, select the PostFX layer. Add a game object to the scene called Night Vision. Set its layer to PostFX and add a post-process profile. Check is global and create a new post-profile asset. To make the screen green, click Add Effect and select Color Grading. Enable Color Filter and pick a bright green color. To add a static effect, click Add Effect and Grain. Set the size and intensity to suit your style. To give the impression we're looking through goggles, click Add Effect and Vignette. Enable intensity and smoothness and set them to suit your style. I'll go with 0.7 and 0.3. So far, so good, but if we disable our lights again, we'll see the night vision doesn't help us see in the dark. What we need to do here is increase the ambient light when night vision is enabled and reset it when night vision is disabled. We also need to show and hide our post-process effects. To do this, create a script called Night Vision Controller and add it to the Night Vision object. Add two private serialized field color properties, Default Light Color and Boosted Light Color. These represent the ambient light colors when night vision is disabled and enabled respectively. Add a post-process volume field and the require component attribute to the class. Add a private bool to track whether night vision is enabled or disabled. In the start method, set renderSettings.AmbientLight to default light color to reset the scene's ambient light. Call getComponent post-process volume to get the volume and set its weight to 0 to hide our effects. In the update method, we check if the player has pressed the N key, and if they have, we toggle night vision. In toggle night vision, we set is vision enabled. If it's true, we set the ambient light to the lighter color and set the volume weight to 1. If it's false, we reset the ambient light and set the volume weight to 0. In the inspector, set default light color to the color we picked earlier and set boosted light color to a lighter color closer to white. And there you have it. That's how you implement night vision in Unity. Like and subscribe for more.